Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock iPhone on iOS 26. In order to unlock your iPhone, either press on the side button or double tap on the screen. Actually, I think a single tap will do. Now you can either, if you have Face ID set, look at your iPhone. This little lock at the top will unlock, and now you can swipe up. You can see it's unlocked. Also, if you don't have Face ID or want to use the passcode, simply swipe up, then you'll be asked for the passcode, so enter it, and now your iPhone is unlocked. And I hope that video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.